Hi, welcome all to my channel. Today we are going to learn how to make the filling or stuffing of dumpling step by step. The recipe is very simple. Your dumpling will taste delicious and juicy. Everyone can make it easily at home. First of all, what should we prepare? For ingredients, you can prepare minced pork, mushroom, sweet corn, spring onion, and egg. Next, let us look at some seasoning that is needed. Vinegar, salt, soy sauce, and oyster sauce. Please check the description link below if you want to get one easily through online. Now, let us begin. First, you want to chop your mushroom into tiny little pieces. Then you can chop spring onion into small pieces. After you have finished chop the spring onion and mushroom, put them into a big bowl together with minced pork and put the sweet corn into the big bowl. Mix all the ingredients inside the bowl. Now, let's add some seasoning into your mixture, including salt, soy sauce, and oyster sauce. Then followed by vinegar. Let me share some secret with you. You would like to add some vinegar into your dumpling mixture. Why? So that you won't easily feel greasy while you're eating dumpling, and you will like to eat more and more. Now, put a raw egg into the mixture and mix them thoroughly and well together. When everything are mixed well, now it's time to stuff the fillings into the dumpling skin. Before you are making dumpling, you can prepare a bowl of water and put aside. So you can dip your fingertip into the bowl of water, wipe the water on your fingertip around the edge of the dumpling skin. This is to make sure that when you fold the dumpling, you can close the edge tightly and nicely. Please remember to sprinkle some flour on your dumpling skin. This is to prevent your dumpling skin from sticking with each other. Thanks for watching my video. If you like my video, please like and subscribe to my channel.